Hi guys, today I want to unboxing this brand Zyama wireless desktop keyboard and mouse set. Okay, wireless desktop keyboard and mouse set by brand Zyama. From this is brand China now. The model is KW900. Okay, office use one office use just only office use. Okay, so now this is keyboard look like. Okay, so I look around the box first. Okay. Okay, the back there is like this. Okay, the back is like this. Okay, waterproof silent key, 2.4 wireless, battery safe life, and micro USB receiver. Okay, mostly this one use double A battery. Mouse and keyboard use double A battery. Okay, so computer for the window 8 something all those window. Okay, and okay, this is the model and then I bought this the black one, the black one. Okay, I bought this the black. Okay, black. Okay, so okay, done looking around the box. So now we open it and let's see inside. Okay. Okay. Let's open it. See inside. Okay. Okay. Inside is like this. Battery. Got battery. Okay. Got battery. The mouse. Okay. And the keyboard. Okay, so then nothing already. Okay, okay, so now look around this keyboard first. Take it out. Okay, see this keyboard. Okay, oh, nice. Okay, okay, now it's foldable. Okay, so nice. Okay, let's see the boss, the mouse, keyboard done. See the mouse. Okay, mouse. Okay, this is the battery compartment. Okay. Okay lah, so battery normal. Okay, so basically it's only like this lah. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and my YouTube channel. Thank you, see you, bye bye.